Hello everyone, welcome to today's English lesson. Before we begin, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Your support helps us continue creating high-quality lessons for you. Today we will compare simple, everyday English expressions at levels A1 and A2 with their advanced versions at levels C1 and C2. Let's begin. A1 A2, I am very happy. C1 C2, I am absolutely delighted. A1 A2, I am very sad. C1 C2, I am deeply heartbroken. A1 A2, I am tired. C1 C2, I am completely exhausted. A1 A2, I don't understand. C1 C2, I can't quite grasp the meaning. A1 A2, it's easy. C1 C2, it's straightforward and uncomplicated. A1 A2, it's difficult. C1 C2, it's highly challenging. A1 A2, I don't know. C1 C2, I'm unsure at the moment. A1 A2, I'm hungry. C1 C2, I'm absolutely starving. A1 A2, I'm busy. C1 C2, I'm completely occupied. A1 A2, I'm scared. C1 C2, I'm genuinely terrified. If you're enjoying this lesson, please hit the like button, leave a quick comment, and subscribe for more English learning videos. Your engagement helps this channel grow. Let's continue. A1 A2, please wait. C1 C2, please be patient for a moment. A1 A2, I'm not sure. C1 C2, I have some uncertainty about that. A1 A2, I'm angry. C1 C2, I'm extremely frustrated. A1 A2, it's cold. C1 C2, it's freezing outside. A1 A2, it's hot. C1 C2, the heat is unbearable. A1 A2, I like it. C1 C2, I truly appreciate it. A1 A2, I don't like it. C1 C2, I strongly dislike it. A1 A2, it's okay. C1 C2, it's acceptable for now. A1 A2, I'm sorry. C1 C2, I sincerely apologize. A1 A2, thank you very much. C1 C2, I genuinely appreciate your kindness. Let's pause for a moment. If this video is helping you improve your English, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support motivates us to keep producing long, useful lessons like this one. Now let's continue with more advanced comparisons. A1 A2, I need help. C1 C2, I would really appreciate some assistance. A1 A2, I'm busy now. C1 C2, I'm currently unavailable. A1 A2, I'm going home. C1 C2, I'm heading back home. A1 A2, I'm going to sleep. C1 C2, I'm going to get some rest. A1 A2, I don't want it. C1 C2, I'd rather not have it. A1 A2, I want it. C1 C2, I would really like to have it. A1 A2, I'm surprised. C1 C2, I'm genuinely astonished. A1 A2, I'm excited. C1 C2, I'm absolutely thrilled. A1 A2, I'm worried. C1 C2, I'm deeply concerned. A1 A2, hurry up! C1 C2, please do it as soon as possible. A1 A2, be quiet. C1 C2, please keep your voice down. A1 A2, that's funny. C1 C2, that's genuinely hilarious. A1 A2, I'm busy working. C1 C2, I'm fully engaged in my work. A1 A2, this is important. C1 C2, this is absolutely essential. A1 A2, I'm confused. C1 C2, I'm a bit uncertain about this. A1 A2, I'm learning English. C1 C2, I'm improving my English proficiency. We are almost at the end of this long lesson. If you enjoyed these phrases, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Your feedback helps us create more one-hour lessons for you. Let's finish with the last set. A1 A2, it's not good. C1 C2, it's far from ideal. A1 A2, it's very good. C1 C2, it's exceptionally impressive. A1 A2, I'm listening. C1 C2, you have my full attention. A1 A2, I'm waiting. C1 C2, I'm awaiting your response. A1 A2, please help me. C1 C2, I'd be grateful for your support. A1 A2, I'm happy to see you. C1 C2, it's a pleasure to see you. A1 A2, I feel good. C1 C2, I feel wonderful today. A1 A2, that's nice. Sopion C2, that's truly delightful. A1 A2, I'm leaving now. Lobion C2, I'll be heading out now. Thank you for watching this one-hour English lesson. If you found it helpful, please like this video, comment your favorite phrase, and subscribe to the channel for more powerful English lessons. See you in the next video.